Gazze'ye yardım toplamak için şarkı söylüyorlar.
Arkadaşlar, Birleşik Krallık'ta Galler'in başkenti Cardiff'teyim. Cardiff'in tam merkezinde, Cardiff Market'in hemen yanında bu güzel koro yıllardır Gazze'ye yardım toplamak için şarkılar söylüyor. Bu güzel insanların çabalarını takdir ediyorum ve sizlerle paylaşmaya değer buluyorum.
We will struggle, we will struggle until Palestine is free. We will struggle until Palestine is free. We will struggle until Palestine is free.
Known as the Red Choir, and we've been singing for Gaza for 43 years.
43 years.
Members of our choir went out to Palestine in 1994. We've been campaigning and collecting money for Sumad, the tent school in North Gaza, plus others for MAP, medical aid. But as the situation is at the moment, we've got to be where we send our money. But can you please take that? Because that's our choir.
Okay.
Cockockion
Thank you
is
very
Welsh
much.
for Red Choir. All right?
All right.
And thank you. Tell them we're all for Gaza. Okay?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Take care.
Goodbye.